Yes, team, I'm sharing my screen. So you can say I try to update it, this logo. It is not appearing properly. It's okay. It's not appearing properly. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay, I may do something later. Next, so we have updated logo as well. Again, I'm keeping some logo. So at least this logo is fine. The command refresh here. Hmm. Yeah, we have successful updated logo as well. And so date format, again here you can able to change. This date format is only for this user. If we are modifying the date format in the user preferences, it is only for this particular user. If we are modifying date format here, it is a default to date format. Okay, this is default format. You can see by default here we selected year, month, date. Okay, and hours format. Here we selected hours, minutes, seconds in 24 hours format. So if you want 12 hours format, yes, here you have to select. Okay, something you have modified within this system configuration, it is a default function, default settings. Okay, default settings. It will be applicable to everybody in the organization. So if you are modifying something from the user preferences, it will update applicable to only that particular user. Got it, everyone? So I'm not modifying anything again here. Time zone and colors also. You can see you don't touch these colors. Okay, if you modify something, like it will definitely update it. Okay, yeah, as of now you can keep same color format, but in real time, so for every organization having their own theme, right? So for example, if it is a cognizant, it should be in blue color, one kind of blue color, maybe navy blue or something. If it is a HL, it should be in some different color. If it is a Wipro, we have different colors in each bubble. Okay, depends upon the organization thing. So we'll modify the colors in real time. Okay, yes, I'm just saving it. This is about basic configurations by 16. Next, you can go to the email properties. Email properties. Under system properties, we have email properties. Under system properties, we have email properties. Under system properties, we have email properties. Hmm. Under system properties, we have email properties. Now you can come here, you can see how the email properties looks like. Hmm. You can see email sending enabled, yes. Email receiving enabled. We have check marks, okay? So basically, if we selected email sending enabled, then only emails will flow from our ServiceNow instance to the users. When we select email sending enabled, then only emails will flow from our ServiceNow instance to the user records. Email receiving enable. If somebody sending email to our ServiceNow instance, somebody sending email to our ServiceNow instance. So if we want to receive that particular mail, so we have to select email receiving enabled to true. Email receiving enabled to true. Okay. Next. So here we have keyword. So if it is a receive type, email receive type. So how to identify whether it is a new email or whether it is a forward email or whether it is a reply email. So here they have mentioned some keywords. You can see identify email as a reply, like something like keywords RE colon, AW colon, accepted colon, tentative colon, declined colon, something like this. Okay. Next, identify email as forward by the subject prefixes FW colon, FWD colon. Okay. These are the prefixes. And like in yesterday class, as we discussed, we have development environment, testing environment, production environment. So in real time, truly will only send emails from production instance to the users. Okay, only production instance receives emails from the users to instance, only production instance. But we have development environment, testing environment, we have many other environments. We don't want to send and receive emails to the sub production environments. So development, testing, staging, temporary, base, UAT, whatever the name it is, okay, all those environments we are calling as non-production environments. We don't want to send emails to the users from non-production environments. So if we don't want to send emails to non-production instances, so here you have to mention some dummy email. Here we have to mention some dummy email. For example, dummy@gmail.com. I'm just mentioning something like this. So if we mention some dummy mail address, so all mails will go to whatever the mail address we mentioned. You can say send all emails to. I'm just increasing my screen size. So you can see send all emails to this test email address, non-production testing. Send all emails to this test email address, non-production testing. Okay. So whatever the email address we have mentioned here. So if we are trying to send email to the user record, that mail will not goes to the user record. That mail will goes to this email address. That mail will goes to this particular email address. Okay. Hmm. And if any time any task is assigned to any incident is assigned to you, maybe any incident is assigned to you related to the notifications, maybe the issue saying that users not receiving the email, maybe that is the issue. For example, maybe as part of that particular issue fixing, you don't remove this email, or you don't keep any emails like your email or your colleague emails. What happens, so if we update some email address here, you may get thousand plus emails will be added into the your email. Like one day, like when I am starting, when I just started with Servicenow, by mistake I have given my email address. Okay, continuously I have received 3 lakhs emails. Continuously I have received 3 lakhs emails. Okay, whatever the emails is going to this email address, will all mails will receive. If we select we keep our email address or maybe others email address. Okay, it should be a big problem to us. Okay, here always we have to keep some dummy email address. This dummy email address also will be given by maybe your team lead or manager. Okay, I'm just removing as of now. I'm just saving it. These are the email properties. These are the email properties. Okay, just closing it. So basically, whatever the user interface you are seeing here, this should be a next experience. This we are calling as next experience, or Polaris experience, next experience, or Polaris experience. Whatever the screen or whatever the user interface you are seeing, this is a next experience or Polaris experience. So we have different experiences are there. Earlier we have UI 16 and UI 15 experiences as well. Okay, we can see previous format. So maybe if you go to the YouTube video, so if we are going to the YouTube and if you see the videos from last 2 to 3 years videos, that screen will be different. Okay, that screen will be different. Maybe some organizations still utilizing that screen. Okay, we can try to see how it would be changed. So I'm just going to the system properties, sys_properties is dot list. I'm just saying something like this. this underscore properties dot list. You can say glide dot ui dot Polaris experience. This is the system property. Okay. So here Polaris experience is enabled. That's what it is showing the user experience like this. Okay. I'm just disabling this Polaris experience. I'm just keeping it as false. Copy URL. I'm just copying this URL. Here you can keep your instance ID. Okay. Your instance ID. And I will also keep that system property name. Okay. So I just disabled this Polaris experience. Now you can come to the home page and you can remove everything after .com. Enter. You can see how our screen will be appears like this. Wait, it's loading. Wait, it's loading. Close. You can. The earlier screen should be like this. You can see there is no workspace, there is no banner, nothing here. So we have limited options here. Okay. And the application navigation frame is strict to left side panel. Okay. The previous screen, UI 16 screen should be like this. Got it, everyone? I just updated one system property. This is the system property I updated to false. Glide dot, UI dot, Polaris dot experience. Okay. Now within the organization, everybody able to see the screen like this only. And here user preferences also showing something different like this. You can see general, the master release form. Okay. Developer. I'm just making sure updates set picker, application picker, close. You can see. So earlier version, so within the, when you click on globe, so application picker and update set picker will be visible. Now it you can see. Okay, got it, everyone. How it should be. So even if we go to the incident list view, for example, I'm going to favorites. Just going to incident list, we can see how the option should be here. So in latest version, this personalized list should be here. Okay, the farm list view is appearing like this. Okay, with a reference space with underscore it is appearing. Like functionality is same, just the look and feel should be changed. Okay, got it, everyone? And we have another one, UI 15. You can see I'm just clicking on switch to UI 15. So this is UI 15 user interface. Looks like this UI 15 user interface nobody using in the organizations. Okay, everybody will be there in next experience only mostly. If anybody still not move to the next experience, they may using UI 16 experience. Got it? Again, I'm switching to the UI 16. Okay. Again, I'm disabling the. Again, I'm enabling the UI 16. That next experience. I'm just wait. I'm just copying this URL. I'm pasting in the URL. I will just update the system prompt. One. The name is something. It's okay. Yes, it's underscore PROPERTIES dot list. Okay. Where is our Polaris experience? Yes. And enter it. Value false. Value true. I'm just keeping it as true. Hmm. I'm just closing it. After .com, you can remove everything. Then next experience is enabled again. Now you can say again next experience is enabled. Next experience is enabled. Okay. And one more thing is still we are in a next experience. For particular user, we want that UI16 experience. For example, I'm just implementing to Abel tutor. Impensate user. Now you can come here. So for Abel tutor also it is showing next. Everybody able to see as next experience. Here my requirement is for this Abel tutor don't want next experience. This Abel tutor want that UI16 experience. Yes, like that also you can able to configure. I'm just ending the implementation. So here you can come and see the user preferences. You can type user preferences. Under user administration, we have user preferences. This is the navigation. Wait. Under user administration, we have user preferences. Preferences. Let's say now we can come here. User preferences. Here we can able to modify. This is the system property glide.ui.polaris.use. So we have only one record. You can see we have only one record with value true, and here user is not selected. That means this Polaris experience is applied to the everybody in the organization. Okay. I'm just updating. I'm just creating one new user preference record here. Here user I'm selecting as Abel tutor. Value I'm just making password. That means don't use Polaris experience for disabled tutor. I'm just doing insert and stay. You will understand what is insert and stay later. Okay, when we are talking about tables concept. Okay, it will create a duplicate copy of the record with modified values. Okay, I'm just doing insert and stay. So now here we have to use with the same property we have two records. We are for Abel tutor we are saying don't use the Polaris experience. For all other users, use the Polaris experience. True. Okay. I just updated the system property. I may keep the system property. URL is not required. I'm just keeping the system property. Okay. I have created one with the same property. I have created one record for the Abel tutor with system false, value false. Okay. Just closing it. Now come and refresh here. Now you can impensate to Abel tutor and you can see whether experience got changed or not. Impensate to user changed or not for Abel tutor. Experience is changed or not for Abel tutor.
Yes.
Experience got changed for the Abel tutor. Now I will try to impensate to other user. Maybe I will try to impensate with Abraham Lincoln, for example. You can say again for Abraham Lincoln, next experience only. We from the user administration, we have configured the user preference particularly for Abel tutor. Okay. Yes. So these are the different basic system configurations. So if you have any queries, let me know. We can discuss about this is cost basic configurations and user preferences. If not, I may move on to the ITSM concept. So I have modified everything here, right? So I don't want this logo. Okay, I want to give Servicenow logo only. So like I have modified something, I have updated some user preferences, I have updated some basic configurations. I don't want all those. Okay, I want to keep my Servicenow instance as press instance. Then what you have to do, you can go to the ServiceNow developer website. You can go to the ServiceNow developer website. We have option called reset and wipe. You have option called reset and wipe. Now this one, ServiceNow. Here you are. 06. Signing. Like I'm just doing the reset and wipe only for this logo, okay? Only for updating ServiceNow logo. We don't have option. So you can see here we have reset and wipe instance. Yes, keep my instance. Yes, keep my instance. And what are the options I have modified, you can remove it. Okay. I just clicked on the reset and wipe instance. So it will do, it will take some time. Okay. It will take some time to do it. When we log in for tomorrow class, so you are able to see again ServiceNow logo. All basic configurations will be reset. So here now it is showing Anji Master ServiceNow training. Everything will be updated as default one. Okay. Any queries, let me know. Otherwise, I may move on to the ITSM theory part. Yeah, team. So once we started with ITSM theory part, for 1 week, completely theory part. Okay. Completely theory part. So we will discuss about theory part and we can discuss about few real-time use cases. It's kind of just creating incident records, creating problem records, creating change records like that. Okay. So once this theory part is completed, so we will start doing the practical things from the tables concept onwards from the syllabus. Okay.
Okay, Anji.
Can I start ITSM now itself or can I start tomorrow class? In today class, we have completed basic configurations and user preferences. A team, please speak out. Only 1 or 2 persons are speaking. So interacting within the classes, interaction is very, very important thing. It will also help you when you join in the organization. Not only for service, no, whatever the domain you are going. So okay. So it will help you lot and lot. If you are interacting with others, you can try to learn that from the training sessions only. If we are interacting more, so I may try to explain more. If you are asking many doubts, so I will try to rectify that doubts, and within that doubts, we may get new concept. I may try to explain that new concepts as well, which is not provided in the syllabus. Okay, you must need to ask the doubts, whatever the doubt it is. Okay, don't keep silent in the class.
Hello?
Yes, Ashwant, tell me.
Yeah. Can you please explain this international user? How we can change the user?
Oh, so you can see here we have system administrator. We log in with the system administrator. I just want to impensate to another user. You can see that we have option called impensate user. So here I'm selecting Abel total. Wait, it's sorry. Wait. Why it is appearing? Because of we kept the reset and wipe instances. That's what it is showing like this. No, instance is not available because of that reset and wipe instance. Instance is not available. Yeah, who is this?
Yeah,
S1.
you can
I may
explain.
explain you tomorrow. Okay, you can remind me when we start at the class. You can explain me tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, like you can explain me in theory, right? So I can try.
Yeah. So basically, you have to click on user profile at the top right corner. Then you have to click on
Yeah.
impensate user. So once we click on impensate user, you have to select the user for which user you are planning to impensate. For example, there I'm selecting the Abil Tutor user. So when we click on Abil Tutor and click on impensate, so the screen will be redirecting to the Abil Tutor's account. Got it?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah,
In
team.
that, how can we change this UI, like a specific UI?
So this
I
is the
just want a different UI.
yeah. So this is the system property. So we have to update the value to false. Glide dot
Okay.
UI dot Polaris dot experience. You have to keep it as false. Then you will be there in UI 16 experience. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to do specifically for particular user, so this is the navigation under user administration. We have user preferences, and within the user preferences, you have to create one record with this property. Okay. Any queries, team, let me know. So I'm just stopping the recording.